guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Come on in, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, hit the bell notification so you know when I'm uploading videos on every Tuesday and Saturday. Today I want to talk to you about not really an educational talk, but it really is about COVID burnout. And COVID burnout is real because I know you guys have seen how Texas and is it Texas and Mississippi have lifted their mask ordinance or whatever, and they're just letting people just be out and about, and they're like the highest populated areas. And guys, I know as a healthcare professional, we are burnt out. We're burnt out with COVID, the actual infection. We're burnt out wearing masks, gowns, gloves. I mean, just constantly having to protect ourselves. We're over it. We are, and I know you're over it too. But now is not the time. Now is not the time. It's cold and flu season, and we got a lot going on out here. And to not be vigilant about wearing a mask, it's not smart. And I know I feel the same way. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm burnt out too. Sis, I'm telling you, I am burnt out. I am touchy-feely. I love greeting people with a hug, and now I have to really police myself and stop and say, you know, are you a hugging person? You know, can I give you a hug, or can I touch you, or whatever? None of that was in my vocabulary a year ago. I just bombard you with a hug. You know, that's how I roll. But I'm being serious though, y'all. We cannot get so lax that we're not wearing a mask. Even if we have survived this long and have not gotten COVID, or we're fully vaccinated, we have to seriously wait for the CDC to let us know exactly how we can move out here, you guys, because the numbers are still going up. They have plateaued a little bit, but the numbers are going up. So, you know, if you can do it for us as healthcare professionals, guys, we really would like to see like some regular stuff right now. We're so tired of COVID. It's like we're burnt out too. So we need your help to continue to wear a mask, continue to social distance, continue to wash your hands. And if you are in the company of someone who you know is vaccinated and your state is doing special stuff based on that, okay, great, that's fine. But if you are not vaccinated and you are constantly in an environment like I am, where I'm probably constantly getting exposed, then it is prudent to wear a mask. Now, I know y'all see me out here with, you know, not a mask on or whatever all the time, but you're seeing me after I've had the mask on and now I'm presenting something, or I'm taking a picture and I've taken my mask off or something like that. But I am vigilant. I wear my mask all the time, everywhere. So not saying that you don't. I'm just saying, if you could find it in your heart to continue to wear your mask, continue to social distance, continue to wash your hands, and be vigilant. For those of us who really need you to, the grocery store workers, bus drivers, people who are constantly out here being exposed all the time. And yes, we're vaccinated, but COVID has been an anomaly, and we really just don't know what we don't know. So I'm just asking that you consider that. And I know we're burnt out, but this is not the time for that. Let's just continue to be vigilant. There's like 15 states that have lifted their mask, you know, ordinance. They're letting people just be out here doing whatever. And you know, I guess they're doing the best they can. I'm just pleading with you to consider that. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's all I have for you. Thank you for stopping by. Leave me some comments. You know, if I can stress anything, it's that wearing a mask has decreased the amount of influenza that we've seen. So we know that it's working, which is wonderful, because influenza and COVID is a disaster. So anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, guys.